guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a lemon cake. Do you know why I'm making a lemon cake? Because today is my sister's 6-month day. So I thought I can make a lemon cake to show her and see what her face reaction does. So let's get started on our yummy lemon cake. Let's see the ingredients. Now it's time to whisk the butter. Let's whisk it with our whisk. Keep on whisking. Wait, actually I'm done. Now it's time to add the sugar in. Have a bowl of sugar here. Whisk it again. The butter should be now very sugary because we added sugar in. It took a long time for me to whisk. Now it's time to add in the 3 eggs. Here's the first one. Now let's whisk it. Look at the batter. It looks so fluffy. It feels so fluffy. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Oh yeah, set the butter and sugar egg bowl in a side and add the dry ingredients into a different bowl. So this is some baking powder. Wait, it's not baking soda, so it's baking powder. Don't get confused. Some salt. Now let's mix it. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients into our batter. Let's mix it. Add the dry ingredients inside the batter in batches. Time to add milk. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk. Let's mix it. Ooh, it's turning into like a light gold color. Time to add the dry ingredients again. Let's mix it again. Time to add milk again. I add the full bowl of dry ingredients inside. Now again mix. Oh look, the dry ingredients are covering up the batter. Add some milk. Mix it. Oh look, it's turning so soggy. Keep on whisking. After you're done whisking, it should be real fluffy and chubby like this. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, now it's the moment we've been all waiting for. Time to add in our lemon juice. I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And make sure to add no seeds. Okay. Let's mix it. Okay, I'm done mixing it. Now it's time to transfer it to the cake tin. I got the cake tin and I greased it with some oil and I sprinkled some flour on the top. I sprinkled some flour so the cake batter doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the cake tin. Let's transfer it. Now it's time to bake the batter. I know while the cake is baking, it's gonna be boring, so I have an interesting job. Let's make the icing. So first, add 1/4 cup butter. Whoa, it's standing in the bowl. Okay. Next, add 1 cup powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Time to whisk it. I'm done whisking the frosting and it tastes perfect. Now we just have to wait for the cake to come out the oven and let it cool so we can add our frosting to it. Our cake is ready and it took me almost 40 minutes to bake. It depends on the cake tin and the oven. So it smells so good and I let it cool down also. So guess what time it is? It's time to add the frosting. I've trimmed the cake. Now it's time to put the frosting on. This is very tough, so I asked for my mommy to help. And I'm just covering up the sides because I had extra frosting. Okay. Last side. And done. Wow, the cake looks so awesome. And I literally can't see any color except for white because the frosting took over all the cake. So, I'm ready to eat it. It's finally time to celebrate my sister's party. Yes! Okay, let's cut the cake. Happy 6 months to my little sister. Happy 6 months to my little sister. Okay. Let's try it. I can feel the lemon taste in the frosting. It tastes so good. It doesn't have any sourness and it's it's very good actually. You should try this too. Oh yeah, before we leave off, I want to show my little sister because she is turning 6 months. Hey, Yeleni, you're turning 6 months? Yay, this is for you. Yeah, I wish you can have it, but you have no teeth. Yeah, you can't eat anymore, baby. You want to see cake? Yes, that's cake. No. Not in your hand, baby. No. See, yummy cake? What does it say over here in the cake? It's a 6 months! Yay! Ha ha ha! Happy 6 months to you! Happy 6 months to you! Happy 6 months to you, baby girl! Happy 6 months to you! Yeah! Okay. Bye! Signing off from Samiksha and Yalini.